If you're looking for Bluetooth in-ear audio, then these just might be the droids you're looking for. Good afternoon, welcome back to Tortoise Tech. My name is Wookie Triple XL, and in this review I'm having a look at the Monster Bluetooth in-ear wireless headphones. A quick history lesson on Monster: they've actually been making audio cables since 1979, and they were so prevalent. If you go into the audio car audio game, the very thick cables that they run to high-powered speakers are colloquially called Monster cable because of how prevalent they have been. If you're keeping track, that's over 30 years worth of audio equipment manufacture. Now they've turned their attention to the Bluetooth in-ear market, and I think it's a brilliant stroke from them, and their build quality and stuff is absolutely fantastic. I'd reviewed the S310 and S110 speakers previously, and their overall value was extremely high. They've gone for a default IPX5 certification across the board, and these are no different. So they will be splash proof, so you can use them in and around your shower. For instance, if you were to want to take your music into your shower, you could quite comfortably. All of these headsets have stereo microphones as well, so you'll be able to use each earpiece individually if you would like. Now I've got three of their products in front of me, and they're all quite similar in a lot of ways. They all have a charging dock system, which is where they're in now. Obviously I'm not going to try and put that into my ear, it's not going to go very well, is it? But they're all very similar and then have slight differences. So starting off with the Achieve 100, these guys are larger sort of in-ear cups style design, and then these actually fit really nicely into the ear. They do come with 3 different sets for each of these, so you will be able to attune it for your either large or small ear canals. They also have quite a nice locking mechanism, so when you put it in, they actually push into the underside of the ear so that they won't fall out, so you can run and jog, etc. with them, go to the gym, etc., and they'll be absolutely perfect for that. Then the dock and the headphone total capacity is 25 hours worth of playtime of a single charge. So if you're doing hour gym sessions, effectively you can charge this once for 25 sessions. To connect them to your phone is actually easier than falling out of a boat. It literally just comes up with the exact device name as it would be Achieve 100, for instance, and then you click connect and they pair after that. It'll then transfer all of your audio, including your microphone, over to the earpiece itself. But going back to how these differ, they all work in pretty much the exact same way. This one has a tactile button feedback on the side, so if you were to tap it once, it would skip a song or answer a call, and then if you hold it in, it'll change your volume up and down. Once you're done listening and you want to put them back into the holder, it's literally as easy as dropping them in, and then they are magnetically stored in there. Close the cap, pop that in your bag, really easy, pocket, etc. Then we have the Clarity 101s. These are a personal favorite of mine because it's a 360-degree opening system. Really nice brushed aluminium on the top here as well, just gives it that premium feel. And then these have touch buttons on the back side of them, and then when you put them into your ear, you can then rotate them into place, and then once again they lock in behind the ear cavity. It's almost like these guys did some research on how the ear works before they created the in-ears themselves. 25 hours charging time on these ones. Again, literally the only major difference between these two is that this then has a touch button instead of a tactile feedback button. And I must say, especially for someone that has a bit of an odd ear shape, the fit on these is absolutely perfect. Then lastly we have the Clarity 102s, which are hiding inside of a makeup-esque looking device. You would think that this might be some sort of makeup mirror, etc. Not that I'm speaking from experience, okay, I've just seen these things on television. But once again, it's literally as simple as removing the device and then putting it inside the ear canal. And then it fits so snugly once again. All the fits on these is absolutely fantastic. Once you get the right rubber sizing and then putting them in, it's really good. And the audio isolation is incredibly good. Because of these rubberized caps that they're using, it fills up the ear canal really well. And if you're asking about audio quality, they're absolutely fantastic. The overall value then from Monster, with these costing between 600 to 800 Rand, depending on the flavor that suits your budget and your taste, it's very good value. And I think Monster's gone in the right direction at the right time with AirPods and stuff costing what they do. You can get a set like this, which will be comparable in battery life, look just as good, if not better, and then have really high sound quality from all of that audio experience that they've put into these products. I have to say, overall, I'm absolutely stunned with how good Monster is. The way that it's been executed with the charging indicator, USB Type-C, so that it's got some future proofing, because Type-C is going to be the new colloquial sort of connection, and it's going to be around for a very long time. And the value of these products and how they present and stuff, if you want in-ear Bluetooth audio on a flight, at the gym, in the shower, you can do it all with these in-ear headphones. In closing, I think I've gushed enough over the Monster Bluetooth audio systems, at least these three. I do have the other sets for the sport type of connections as well, and then I've got the proper noise cancelling, active noise cancelling icons, which I will be doing in the next review. But until then, I hope you stay safe, keep well, and I'll see you on the flip side.
Like this.